Industrial automation networks can be like vast, complex road systems where different vehicles may be traveling at different speeds along different paths. For better process transparency, network traffic should ideally run along shared routes where everything can travel together. However, often these networks cannot do this because each function differently and follow separate technical standards. This is where time-sensitive networking, or TSN, comes in. TSN is an extension of standard Ethernet that regulates data communication at layer 2, the data link layer of the OSI reference model. By applying new IEEE 802.1 standards, it makes standard Ethernet deterministic, providing the ability to combine multiple types of traffic on a single network. This is called convergence and provides the foundation of process transparency, which will enable the connected industries required by Industry 4.0. CC-Link IE TSN is the latest advance in TSN. It is the world's first open industrial Ethernet technology that combines gigabit bandwidth with TSN to offer numerous benefits, whether you are a device vendor, machine builder or end user. It can simplify network architecture and machine design, offer greater process transparency and better management, enhance productivity and enable better integration of OT and IT systems. TSN is the most significant technology for the future of industrial automation, and CC-Link IE TSN is the first to take it to the next level. Contact us today and discover the benefits CC-Link IE TSN can deliver to your operations.